Hello, another day in Canada, and I'm doing Resole on my boots. So this is Red Wing A88. I own them for 4 years. So the soles are worn out. And I bought new soles. It's Vibram 2021. Looking like that. So compared to the boot, be something like this, little thicker places, but I like it. I'll use this barge all-purpose cement. I'll use this welt. It's Barbour, made in USA. I use this KR leather, made in Germany, for a midsole. And I use this overpriced saving all to stitch, because here in Canada you don't have anything, you can't buy stuff, and this costs 35 bucks, huh? So the soles itself 25 bucks, the thread 6 bucks, the glue for this small 14 bucks, 16 bucks for that, and 8 bucks for this. So made yourself calculations how much our boot repair will cost, but it's cheap compared to some other places. Like I asked for pricing for some YouTuber, he said like 300 bucks, so I said good luck, I did myself. So as you can see here, you have welt, you have plastic insole, and you have sole itself. So my plan is to separate it in this place. I will not show you my struggles because I don't have operator, but maybe I'll show you progress later. So here we are.